Here we have a typical smart building. Inside that building, we have these controllers which actually can control heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, lights, building intrusion alarms, and door locks. Depending on the size of the building, you may have up to about 20 or 30 of these controllers controlling all of these functions throughout the building. What we're going to do today is we're going to show you how easy it is to attack these buildings that are connected directly to the internet without any type of security involved. Over to my right, you can see the HMI, the human machine interface. From there, the operator can control the fan, the lights, and he can determine whether or not everything is within spec as far as temperature goes. He can monitor the door locks and alarms. He can unlock doors, lock doors, and respond to alarms. An operator is usually located about 10 to 15 miles away and may manage anywhere from 1 to 20 buildings at a time. This results in a really great maintenance savings because you don't have to have a technician driving around the city in a van monitoring the systems on a periodic basis. Jay, would you go ahead and run the attack for me? As the attack runs, you're going to see that the lights are going to cut off and the HVAC is going to shut off. Okay, so here's the result of the attack. We have no HVAC, we have no lights. If there were a data center in this building, or in the middle of July and about 95 degrees outside, people in the data center would start panicking, worried that these servers are going to fry. So what they do is they call back to the central control station and report the outage. But back at the central control station, as you're going to see here again to my right, everything looks normal. The lights still show as on, they're green. The fans are shut off. However, the temperature's within spec. It's only about 1 degree off. So the operator there has no idea that there's a problem. So the only thing he can do to respond is to send a technician out to the building and check to make sure everything's okay. Everything comes back up. You can see the lights are back on and the HVAC is running. Everything seems normal. Therefore, the technician has no idea that he's actually been attacked. He thinks it's a simple equipment glitch. So in his report, he writes up that this is an equipment glitch and it never gets logged as a cyber attack. This happens in many other places with any other type of controllers that we have available here to show you. Most of these attacks happen and it's never realized that they're an attack. There's also no logging capability in these controllers, so they can't go back to the controller and see what caused the actual failure.